Well, Bob, I think we all can agree it's hot out, and when you can get into some air conditioning, it certainly feels nice.
That's a great idea too. I mean, especially during the heat of the day. And tomorrow, the heat index will be about 100 degrees at noon and stay that way up until about 5.
Oh, man.
Not much rain in sight, and that time of day, we are going to see some overnight showers and some coastal showers in the morning. Casey Key webcam showing what happened since around 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can see another gorgeous sunset there in Casey Key, and the water is not all that high in terms of the sea height, and it looks like it's going to stay below 2-foot seas throughout the day tomorrow. And some photos sent in again to pics at mysuncoast.com, and I got them off of Facebook as well. Cindy Desmond getting a nice shot, looks like from Siesta, and here's Fred Seeger with another sea oats there in the foreground, and then we had Susan Humphreys up in Terracea. Fred Seeger's photo coming from Casey Key. Well, here's the weather headlines. Mainly inland storms. That's going to be the focus, I think, throughout most of the week. And on top of that, we'll have the problem with heat indices up near 100 to 105 degrees each and every afternoon, and that's due to the west wind. It really brings the high dew point temperatures up. You factor that in with the actual temperature around 90, it'll feel like about 100 to 105. A few overnight coastal storms are possible too, and that'll be the case tonight, tomorrow night, and even into looks like Wednesday and Thursday night, as this west wind, as I mentioned, with that high pressure ridge off to the southwest of us, continues to give us that westerly component. Some showers tonight already starting to pop up. Another one just popped up near Anna Maria Island. Not very big, and they're widely scattered, so expect that on to get it off again. Here's some rain around your house overnight. It'll be because of this weird pattern that we're in right now. There's that shower that's kind of hanging there near Venice. It hasn't been moving all that much. It's up to about 30,000 feet, so it could generate some lightning too. There's a chance to get a few bolts out of that one, and also that one I mentioned just now popping up near Anna Maria. We had rain, as you see, most of it well east of I-75, although near Venice with this shower now in progress, and also Northport earlier had some rainfall there up to about a ½ inch of rain. Well, the Futurecast indicating some showers around even in the morning hours. We're going to see that west wind really start to fire up the storm's interior portions and then head off to the east coast. And with a trough of low pressure coming down over the southeast United States and a frontal boundary, we'll stay in that southwesterly flow on Wednesday, Thursday, and I think even into Friday with a chance for showers. Unfortunately, that cold front is going to come through and cool us down. We do have what's left of Beryl, and there's not much. It's just a remnant low now being absorbed by that frontal system out in the Atlantic. So nothing going on in the northern hemisphere, which is a little unusual. There are no storms in the Pacific and in the Atlantic. 84 right now. It feels like a 92. The Gulf water temperature at 88 degrees, a bit cooler in places where it did rain today, 78 degrees in Arcadia. Currently, it's cloudy. It's 84, as I mentioned, and the dew point is 75. The high today was 1 degree above average, and 77, a little bit above average on our low. We'll see overnight readings right around 80 degrees in most places, and we could use a little bit of rainfall. We're below average for the month and for the year. Above average temperatures have been occurring across much of the central U.S., and highs tomorrow will stay above average in Denver, Kansas City, Dallas, and even Washington. 90 degrees the expected high. Boston will see a high near 86. For boaters, I mentioned the sea state. It'll be less than 2 feet out there and pretty much smooth conditions, southwest winds at 10 knots. The forecast, 30% chance for scattered showers along the coast in the morning, inland in the afternoon. Same goes true, just a little bit better chance for some rain on Wednesday and Thursday, and expect maybe 1 or 2 overnight showers too on these nights. And then by the weekend, we get back to showers and thunderstorms scattered about at almost any time during the day. 50% chance, which is fairly typical for the summer months, high temperatures near 90. Jacqueline?
All right, Bob, thank you.